how to remove background in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily remove background from your pictures or video in CapCut. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. To remove backgrounds from the video, so firstly open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here you can see a new project. So click on new project, or you can select any video from the previous project. So after this, here you can see different options at the bottom side. So when you will click on the video, so you can see different options at the bottom side. When you will scroll at the left side, here you can see remove BG. So click on it, and then here is the options of auto removal. So after this, click on it, and here you can see when you will click on done options, background is removed. So guys, you can see background is removed very nicely. So guys, in this way you can remove background from the video in CapCut. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.